Hello everyone, welcome to Geography through Maps 2025. As you're aware, international relations, geography, lot of questions come mostly from maps. And it is very essential for us to focus and study on that. I know it's not easy for you to recollect each and everything in a proper manner. So I'm trying to take some time and do in order. I will also try to do world geography through maps where mountains, plateaus, and other things which have been focused nowadays will also be covered. But to begin with, these are mostly on the basis of the issues which are in news. Okay, so there will be multiple with respect to this. The first major issue is about Armenia and Azerbaijan issues. This issue is in news for a significant period of time. And last time also, UPSC asked about this particular issue. Now, what exactly is the issue? You have Armenia and you have Azerbaijan, and both these have always fought for this particular territories. Okay? For this particular territory, they have always fought. Can you see this? This is Nagorno-Karabakh regions. Nagorno-Karabakh region. And prelims, they will ask you, where is Nagorno-Karabakh region? Or Nagorno-Karabakh is disputed between which countries? It is disputed between Armenia and Azerbaijan. At least you must be aware till this particular point. Now, geographically, if I see Armenia and Azerbaijan, they are present in between Black Seas. This is your Black Sea and this is your Caspian Sea. In between Black Sea and Caspian Sea, we will have Armenia, Azerbaijan, Georgia. Fine? Georgia, Armenia, Azerbaijan. These three are actually in between Black Sea and Caspian Sea. And in the same region, guys, we also have a mountain called as Caucasus Mountains. Okay? These mountains are called Caucasus Mountains. So, which mountains are present in between Black Sea and Caspian Sea? That is Caucasus Mountains, and it is Young Fold Mountains. Okay? These are not old fold, but they are Young Fold Mountains. So, this is another important thing. Now, there is a pipeline which is coming from Russia to Germany, and that pipeline is called Nord Stream pipeline, and it is one of the most important pipeline giving oil and natural gas to Germany from Russia, and someone blasted it in this region. So where did the blast occur? The blast occurred in Baltic Sea region. Remember, if Nord Stream is not functioning, most of the people in Germany and Europe suffer because of lack of natural gas. It is from this point of view, right? This is very, very essential for us. Now, what can be the question? You see, Nord Stream is in between Russia and Europe or Russia and Germany. Second, it is near Baltic Sea. Now, the question can be, which countries have border with Baltic Sea? You see here, Sweden. Okay? Sweden. Finland. Sweden, Finland. Russia. See, here also Russia is there. So, don't think Russia doesn't have border. Because of Gulf of Finland, Russia is here also. Okay? Russia, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania. Okay, can you see here? Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania. These three countries are called Baltic countries as well. Okay? Which three? Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania. These three are also called as what? Baltic Sea countries. You see here, one, you have Finland, Sweden, okay, Russia, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, and Poland. Can you see Poland? Germany has little border with Baltic Sea. So you can consider Germany as well. Okay, let me repeat. Germany, Poland, Russia. Okay, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Finland, Sweden. Which doesn't have border is Norway. Okay, please remember which doesn't have border is Norway and which doesn't have border is Denmark. Okay, so this is very, very important. At least, like, you should remember Norway. Whenever UPSC gives you questions, it will be on the basis of one of the country which is closer to it. Last time when they gave you question about the North Sea, one of the option was Finland. Okay, so it's very important for you to get details about the Baltic Sea region. Okay, because the next most important thing is Russia-Ukraine war. As it is happening, Ukraine had bombarded deep inside Russia. And the place of Russia which was attacked by Ukraine is Kursk. K-U-R-S-K. Kursk. This province of Russia was attacked by Ukraine. Okay. And if they ask you recently, the country Kursk, or sorry, the region Kursk was in news. Then you have to talk about this. Where is it? Russia. And they may also ask you which regions are attacked by Russia. Luhansk, Donetsk, Zaporizhia, Kherson. Okay? Luhansk, Donetsk, Zaporizhia, Kherson. These places are in news. Are they lakes? Are they mountains? Are they places? Or another way of asking is, Russia has attacked and captured which of the following regions of Ukraine? So the same aspects may be asked. Okay, guys? The next most important thing is West Asia. As we are aware, West Asia was in news due to many issues. Correct? West Asia was in news due to Israel-Palestine, due to Israel-Lebanon issue, right? So, as it is in news, I just want you to first, Turkey, okay, Turkey, Syria, Lebanon, Israel, Jordan, Saudi Arabia. Try to remember capitals of all these countries. Okay? Try to remember capitals of all these countries once. And then you have to arrange them from west to east and also from north to south. So you have to arrange it from west to east, north to south. So this is very, very essential for us. Then guys, Israel and Palestine, if you take, I'm talking only from geography point of view. See guys, Gaza Strip is part of Palestine and it is having border with Egypt and Mediterranean Sea. Please see here, Gaza Strip is part of Palestine. It is having border with Egypt and Mediterranean Sea. On the other hand, when we come to West Bank is also part of Palestine. Okay? West Bank is also part of Palestine. And it is having border with Jordan. West Bank is having border with Jordan. Gaza Strip is having border with Egypt. Now, Palestine has border with which countries? Jordan, Egypt. Okay, second, Jerusalem. Okay, please see here, Jerusalem. Jerusalem is combined capital of both Israel and Palestine. And I want you to know this particular place, Tel Aviv. Tel Aviv. Tel Aviv is considered as official capital of Israel. The world community do not recognize Jerusalem as the capital because Jerusalem was considered to be combined capital of both Israel and Palestine. Now, Tel Aviv is considered as the official capital for the world community. Okay. Now, if you look at this particular part, guys, Israel attacked Gaza Strip. Today, Trump administration is also talking about removing Gaza completely. He's telling we will try to remove all the people. When such type of issues come, Gaza Strip can become important. Now, what can be questioned? Where is Gaza Strip? West Asia, South Asia, Southeast Asia, East Asia, like that. West Asia can also be there, Middle East can also be there. And can you see this Gaza Strip has border with Sinai Peninsula. It has border with Egypt, correct. But within Egypt, which part has border? Sinai Peninsula. Why is this important for us? When Israel was killing Gazans, all the Gazans entered into Egypt through Sinai Peninsula. And this Sinai Peninsula is extremely important. You see, it is Red Sea on one side, Mediterranean Sea on the other side. Okay, so you have Red Sea on one side, Mediterranean Sea on the other side. Sinai Peninsula is in between, can be a question. Sinai Peninsula is in between, Mediterranean Sea on one side, Red Sea on the other side. Israel is in between. Israel is in between. Mediterranean Sea on one side, Dead Sea on the other side. Okay, Mediterranean and Dead Sea. Okay, Mediterranean and Red Sea. Which one? Sinai Peninsula. Mediterranean and Dead Sea, Israel. Okay, and let us go little detail into this region. Can you see here? Gulf of Aqaba. Israel is in between which seas? Mediterranean Sea, Dead Sea, Gulf of Aqaba. Can you see this region? This region is called Gulf of Aqaba. Okay, and Gulf of Aqaba, Sinai Peninsula is on one side, Saudi Arabia is on the other side. Okay, Sinai Peninsula is on one side, Saudi Arabia is on the other side. So this is very, very important for us. See, I repeat, West Asia is important. First, what you should do, remember all the capitals. I'm telling you now only, spend every day 5 to 10 minutes, that's enough. Remember all the capitals once. Second important thing, you need to work on what we call it as, like, Israel, Palestine, Gaza Strip, West Bank. And then you need to work on Sinai Peninsula, Gulf of Aqaba, Red Sea, Gulf of Suez. Gulf of Suez, Red Sea, Gulf of Aqaba. Gulf of Aqaba has border between Saudi Arabia, Jordan, Israel, and Egypt. Please remember this, they can ask questions on this. Gulf of Aqaba is surrounded by Saudi Arabia, Jordan, Israel, and Sinai Peninsula. That is Egypt. This area is also very, very important for you. Okay, then guys, you might have heard there is issues going on between Israel and Lebanon. Okay, so Israel and Lebanon, including Golan Heights. Okay, so whenever we talk about Israel, you see here, when we talk about Israel, there is one region called as Golan Heights. Okay, there is one region called as Golan Heights. Actually, this Golan Heights was part of Syria. Okay, Golan Heights was part of Syria. And what happened? Israel attacked Syria and captured Golan Heights in the war. When they tried to capture this region, at that time, there were more than 90% Syrian people. But once Israel captured it, Israel has sent Jews to settle in the region. As more and more Jews settled in the region, today 55% of the people are Jews, 45% are Syrian people. And recently, Israel told Golan Heights belongs to me. And US told yes, Golan Heights belongs to Israel. So this is the reason. This is very, very important. Okay, so Golan Heights. Fine. Now, you see here, Israel and Palestine is in news. So which countries have border with Israel is also important. Lebanon, in the northern part, Lebanon has border, Syria has border, Jordan has border, Egypt has borders. Egypt, Jordan, Syria, Lebanon. Okay? Egypt, Jordan, Syria, Lebanon. Please understand, at least these countries, capitals you try to remember. Okay? Egypt, Jordan, Syria, Lebanon. And now, what separates Israel and Lebanon? United Nations has put a line here called as blue lines. You know, the image is not very clear. It is called blue line. And that blue line separates, like, you know, they actually keep drums like this. Yes, United Nations has kept the drums like this. The blue drums will be kept. So that blue line separates Israel and Lebanon. Okay. So very, very important for you. This West Asia is extremely important for you. So from all this, what I want you to know is, please try to work on all these aspects. Okay? I will be uploading more videos. Now there will be series of videos on PT 365s, news, like, you know, geography, maps, all this, because from now, next 50, 60 days is very essential. Okay, January current affairs, Feb current affairs, I will try to complete. Okay, don't worry about them. Through PTs also, I will try to cover, because, like, you know, all this is from prelims point of view. We have entered into the prelims time period. Next 50 days, regularly I will do videos, but my request is, go through each one slowly and try to understand them. If you can do that, most of our work is done. Okay. So guys, you people can also follow Telegram channel, Sandeep_Mahajan_Sir. Okay. This is Telegram channel and contact number is given below. You can see them. Fine guys. Thank you. Thanks a lot.